papam dagdhavan. So dagdhavan, burnt means he eliminated, he got rid of. So what? Nisheshena, totally, without any residue being left over. So totally, asuram papam. Asuram papam means papa that is demonic in nature. Actually, all papa is demonic because it is source of sorrow. Means entire papa, dagdhavan, he got rid of after. And as a result of that, because of this upasana, tataha, thereafter, Virada Bhoot, he became the Virat Purusha. Fine, he became Virat Purusha. Can we also become? Certainly yes. He says, Anyaha api evam dagdva Virat bhavi. Other persons also are eligible to get the Virat post by taking to such upasanas whereby they can get rid of all the papas and become. But the time also comes. The first come, first served be this. The one who has become first Virat, then what will happen? His term has to be over. Then only will be the other person. So that is one problem is there, one drawback is there. So like this, no, constitutionally, everyone can become Prime Minister, everyone can become President of the country, constitutionally. But practically, who all don't aspire. So many may have Vairagya also, okay. Vairagya also for that. But there are some who are aspiring by hook or crook, whatever it may be. So they aspire, but all don't get because only one post. At best they can make Deputy Prime Minister, that's all, okay. So two. Third, I think they have not yet started. So of course, President and Vice President, two posts are there, but President is only one. That number two it is. So like that. So here number two is not there. So Hiranyagarbha and then Virat, the Deputy Virat is not there. Other Prajapatis, etc. are there, that different thing. So therefore Bhavet Virat. Now what happened? Now is this Virat Purusha ordinary person now? See what intense upasana he has done, and he has eliminated all papas before rest of those contestants. Such a great person. Yet because of identification with the body, this Virat Purusha to begin with was no better than us. So let us see how he was no better than us in the beginning. Afterwards, of course, as a result of his upasanas and this thing, he worked out and got rid of his problem. But in the beginning, what happened? This Virat Purusha also got frightened. The Shruti says, So bibhet tasmat ekaki bibheti. Virat Purusha saw himself, but keep in mind, he had the identification with the body. Not knowing the Pratyak Swarupa, when he took the embodiment, he had no knowledge of the Pratyagatma Swarupa, identified with the body, and when he identified with the body, he could not find anyone else, and he found what? Ekaki, alone was there, and therefore what happened? He got frightened. That is why even today, if a person is alone, what happens? There is some fear is there. I am alone. So there is some fear. Why? This Prajapati, he considered this body as I, we also consider it I. So he got frightened, we also got frightened. So now how we got rid of the fear? Same way we also should have to get rid of the fear. Dagdha papopyanatmadnyah dehadavabhyamanyata tatasvanashamashankya so bibhedasmadadivat Dagdha papaha api anatmadnyah dehadau abhyamanyata tataha स्वनाशम आशंक्य सह अस्मदादिवत अभिभे सह अस्मदादिवत अभिभे Dagdhapapahapi. Now this Virat Purusha is not ordinary person. He has taken to such upasana and got rid of the papas prior to all others who were aspiring for this post. So now he says, Dagdhapapahapi, even though he has accomplished such a great task, even then, Anatmadnyaha, unfortunately, he was Anatmadnyaha, didn't know his Swarupa, identified with the embodiment. Anatmadhya, what happens? Dehadau abhyamanyata. So Dehadau, Deha Adi for the Antakarana. So the gross body and the subtle body, what did he do? Abhyamanyata, Abhimanam Akarod. Abhimanam Akarod. Identified with the body. So he identified with the body. Why? Didn't know the Swarupa. Tataha, therefore what happens? Swanasham ashankya. Doubting one's own destruction means death. So doubting one's own destruction, because body is bound to end. Ashankya saha, who is that saha? Virat Purushaha. Asmadadivat abhibhe. Like any one of us, if we are alone, what happens? We get frightened. So he got frightened. All because not knowing the Atma Swarupa, and as a result of it, having identified with the embodiment, he also got frightened. The question is, how do you say ignorance causes fear? We do find in the world also. So generally, ignorance causes fear. At times you say ignorance is bliss, you may say, in a particular context you may say, but generally what happens? Ignorance causes fear. How? Let us see. An illustration is being given. Srujam hi kalpayitvaste tadbhayada kulendriyaha evam nashvara dehadi praticharopya kampate. There is one alternate reading in the place of Srujam hi. In that place, Srujyahim. You can make a note of it. Srujyahim. That is a better reading, and not only better reading, it appears in Brihadaranyaka Vartika Sara. I think I told you what is Brihadaranyaka Vartika Sara. Same author, Vidyaranya Muni, has composed by editing, not editing, of course, giving the Tatparya of Brihadaranyaka Vartika. Brihadaranyaka Vartika is a voluminous Grantha text. So what he has done is, the sum and substance of that he has given in Brihadaranyaka Vartika Sara. And from Brihadaranyaka Vartika Sara, you can find many of these stanzas are here simply repeated in terms of editing it. So certain in between few stanzas are not taken, but it is being taken. But it is not totally, because it is a elaborate one. But here you find this particular sloka does appear there. There also it is there. Srujyahim. What is Srujyahim? It is like this. Sraji ahim srajyahim. Sraji ahim. Actually, here also we have to get the same meaning, but if you take Srujam hi, you have to go round about the way to get the meaning. There it is very direct. Let us see what is it. First let us say Srajyahim. Sraji ahim. Take Anvaya that way. Anvaya doesn't differ. Srajam hi or Sraji ahim Srajyahim kalpayitva tadbhayat akulendriyaha aste. Tadbhayat akulendriyaha aste. Evam nashvara dehadi pratichi aropya kampate. Evam nashvara dehadi प्रतीचि आरोप्य कंपते। सृजम ही कल्पयित्वा और सृज्यहिम कल्पयित्वा। फर्स्ट लेटर से सृजि अहिम कल्पयित्वा। कल्पयित्वा having falsely projected. Having falsely projected what? Sraji ahim. Srak means garland. Srak is garland. Sraji, locative. In a garland, ahim. Ahi is snake. So having projected a snake in the place of a garland. That is what Sraji ahim kalpayitva. If you take Srajam he, you have to take this way. Srajam, a garland, he indeed, he prasiddhi, kalpayitva, having falsely projected what that he prasiddhi says. The famous example, what is that famous example? Mistaking a rope or a garland for a snake. So that's what Rajju Sarpa example it is. So that is mistaking a garland for a snake. What does the person do? Tad bhayad, on account of that fear. Akulendriyaha. Akulendriya means, akula means afflicted, overcome, affected, filled or smitten by. So filled up with or afflicted by akulendriya, with his indriya, sense organs, organs of actions. Akula, overcome with fear. So afflicted, akulendriya aste, the person remains. Means he gets frightened, that's all. The person gets frightened. Similarly, why does he get frightened? What was there was only srak, an innocent garland, but he mistook it for a snake on account of what? Ajnana. So therefore ajnana gives rise to fear like this. So also in the same manner, evam, in the same manner, nashvara dehadi. Dehadi, the embodiment, gross body, subtle body, cause bodies, dehadi, in adi for indriya, mana, buddhi, all these, the entire embodiment, upadhi. Pratichi aropya. Pratichi, in pratyagatma, aropya, having superimposed means mistaking the dehadi as I. What does the per individual do? Kampate, gets frightened. Gets frightened means there is always room for having fear because of identification with the embodiment. What did Prajapati, Virat Purusha do? Virat Purusha sorted out the matter. So how come this fear has come? That he could do it because of his specific type of upadhi. So it was not an ordinary upadhi like any upadhi of us. So it was upadhi which was born as a result of very intense, specific upasanas. And though upasanas cannot give knowledge directly, but because of that purity of antakarna, his antakarna was capable of discerning the problem on its own, and therefore now he is trying to analyze how come it is so. Let us see what it is. Alochayet srujastatvam भीतिध्वस्तैत यथा नरः भीतिध्वस्तै यथा विराडालोचयत् तद्वत् प्रतीचस्तत्वमादरात्. So just as a person, how he gets over the fear of a snake, in the same manner Virat got rid of this fear on account of the body. Yatha naraha bhiti dhvastyai srajaha tattvam alochaye. Yatha naraha bhiti dhvastyai srajastatvam alochaye tadvat Virat pratichaha tattvam adarat alochaye. Tattvam adarat alochaye. Yatha, just as Naraha, any person who has mistaken a rope or a garland for a snake, how can he overcome that fear? Is there any other method or way than seeing it as the garland or the rope? To know the true nature of that snake, that's all. There is no other way whatsoever. You can't say, no, we can kill the snake and be free from fear. To kill the snake, there is no snake at all. What is there? Is only a garland. So therefore, the only way to get rid of that fear is to know the garland as the garland and not to mistake it as a snake. So therefore, he says, as in the case of this illustration, Yatha, just as Naraha, what does he do? Bhiti dhvastyai, to remove that fear, to get rid of that fear. What does he do? Swajas tattvam alochai, inquires into the tattva of srak, that means the nature of the garland. Means if brings the light and finds out, oh, it is not a snake but only a garland. So therefore inquires into the nature of the garland, means find out the garland as garland and doesn't mistake any further as the snake. In the same manner, tadvat. So Virat, with this Virat Purusha, what did he do? Pratichaha tattvam, the true nature of Pratyagatma. So what did he do? Adarat alochai. Adarat means with careful efforts, with due attention, with close application. So with careful efforts, with due attention, with close application. So very seriously. So what did he do? So pratichaha tattvam, the true nature of Pratyagatma, alochayat, he inquired into. So he inquired into the Swarupa Pratyagatma and got rid of the identification, the body. The question will come, how did he do that without a guru, etc.? Because for Atma Vichara, who is required? A guru is required. Shastra itself says, how is that this person got the knowledge without the guru? That topic will be discussed afterwards. Answer is going to come later. So let us see afterward. Now here what happened now? He took to alochana, inquiry, self-inquiry, inquire into one's own nature. So what was the result of this alochana? The result of this inquiry was tattvajnana, the knowledge of one's own true nature. Alochana phalam tattvajnanam iti vishadayati. The result of this alochana was tattvajnana, so it is now being explained. Alochayan yatha tattvam apastadhvanta tadbhayam ananyanubhavam sakshat dadarshayikatmyam atmani apastadhvanta tadbhayam yatha tattvam alochayan sakshat ananyanubhavam aikatmyam atmani dadarsha. If you want the sandhi breaking of the last phrase, it is like this: sakshat dadarsha aikatmyam atmani. Anvaya is sakshat ananyanubhavam aikatmyam atmani dadarsha. Apastadhvanta tadbhayam yatha tattvam alochayan, inquiring into what? Yatha tattvam, the true nature of oneself. What is that true nature? The one that is like this. How is it? Apastadhvanta tadbhayam. Dhvantaha means ajnana. So dhvanta means ajnana. Tadbhayam means tadjanitam bhayam, ajnana janitam bhayam. Born of it, that's all. That means tadbhayam, that means tasmad jatam bhayam. So tadjanitam bhayam, janita bhayam, born of this. So therefore Dhvanta means ignorance, ignorance of one's true nature. Tadbhaya is ignorance born of, not ignorance, the fear born of the ignorant. So these are the Dhvanta and Tadbhayam. Now, these two, apaste, are terminated, eliminated. What are they eliminated? These two. What is that? Dhvanta Tadbhaye Yasma. Apaste Dhvanta Tadbhaye Yasma. The one from whom the ignorance and its consequence in terms of fear, samsara, or apasta means removed, tat yatha tattvam, that is the true nature, Atma Sarupa. Means Atma Sarupa is the one free from ignorance and its effect, the sorrowful, frightful samsara. So that Atma Sarupa, yatha tattvam, the true nature of oneself, alochayan, inquiring into. How exactly inquired is not given here, but he did. That is, discern the problem. So, and what did he do now by that? He discovered his Swarupa. How? Sakshad, and what is that Yatha Tattvam? Sakshad Ananyanubhavam. Sakshad, direct, without dependence on anything whatsoever. It is Ananyanubhavam, means Swaprakasham. The one who doesn't need anything else for experience. What is called as Anubhava Swarupa. Anubhava Swarupa. Anubhuti Swarupa or Jnapti Swarupa. So therefore, Ananyanubhavam Swaprakasham Sakshat, directly. So that Sakshat, also Sakshat, the one that is the most proximate with one's own true nature, that Atma Sarupa. Aikatmyam, identity with that. Presently, identity was with what? Panchakoshas. Now, he inquired into and found these Panchakoshas cannot be me, and discovered the Chaitanya Sarupa, Anubhava Sarupa, Atma as one's true nature. So that Aikatmam, Atmani, in oneself. In contrast to earlier Aikatmya in the Panchakosha, now in Atma Sarupa, Atmani, Dadarsha, saw means discover. Means getting rid of the identification with the Panchakosha. He discovered oneself directly to be this Atma Swarupa. So as a result of this, what happened? The fear went away. So, and he discovered his own Swarupa. Pratyagyatatmya Vijnana Shikiplushta Mahatamaha Atma Shesha Pumarthoyam Somanyata Tato Virat. The book has got Mahatapaha, corrected Mahatamaha. Ayam, in second line it is there. Ayam, then take entire first line. Pratyagyatatmya Vijnana Shikiplushta Mahatamaha. Again, Atma Shesham is there, correct it as Apta Shesha Pumarthoyam. Not Atma, Apta. Apta Shesha Pumarthoyam. So, Ayam Pratyagyatatmya Vijnana Shikiplushta Mahatamaha Apta Shesha Pumarthaha Tataha Saha Virat Amanyata. Tataha Saha Virat Amanyata. Ayam, this Virat, with the entire first line is an adjective. In Bahuri Samasa, one who has accomplished like this. What has he accomplished? प्रत्यग याथात्म्य विज्ञानम एव शिखी. Shikhi means vannihi, fire. Shikhi is fire. What is fire here? Pratyagatma yathatma vijnanam. The direct knowledge of Pratyagatma Sarupa itself is compared to fire. Like Bhagavad Gita, you got Jnanagni. Jnanagni sarva karmanam bhasmasat kurute. So like that, the Atma Jnana, Pratyagatma Jnana is compared to the Shikhi, fire. So, Pratyagatma yathatmya vijnanam eva Shikhi vannihi. Now, by that vannina, by that tena shikhina, tena vannina shikhina, tena plushtam. Plushtam means dagdham, burned, reduced to ashes. So destroyed. So plushtam dagdham. What dagdham? What destroyed? Mahatamaha. Mahatamaha. Tamas. So tamaha means ajnana. The one who has destroyed the ajnana of one swarupa by the fire of pratyagatma yathatma jnanam. Yasya saha. The one who has accomplished so is pratyag yathatma vijnana shikhi plushta mahatamaha. So he is the one. So one means one who by virtue of knowledge of pratyagatma swarupa has destroyed, burned to ashes the ignorance of oneself, that I am, that Virat now. And now he is who? Now he is no more the one who is identified with the body and frightened as earlier. Now he is Aptashesha Pumarthaha, the one who has Asheshataha totally accomplished the Pumartha. Pumartha is Purushartha. Ashesha Purushartha, the Purushartha having gained which there is no further Purushartha left out. Which Purushartha it is? How many Purusharthas are there? 4. Dharmartha, Kama, Moksha. But if you accomplish dharma or artha or kama or all three, still something remains. What is that? Moksha. But when you moksha you have accomplished, there is nothing that is to be accomplished. Ashesha means entire Purushartha means moksha he has gained. Apta Ashesha Pumarthaha. So now, having got this, he considered like this. Like this means what he considered will be told in the next stanza. So therefore, tataha, thereafter, having accomplished this highest Purushartha, thereafter, saha Virat, that Virat, amanyata, considered. What did he consider? That will be told in the next stanza 23. So, that is this Virat who has now gained the knowledge, he considered like this. Let us see what he considered. Swastik Prada